This fun tray snaps together and is laser engraved to decorate and label the parts before being cut out with a 1/16 inch router bit. The first step is to verify the fit. What we call 1/4 inch plywood varies a lot in the actual thickness. So I'm including a test pattern to check the fit of the snap-together bits, the tabs, and the slots. This will allow you to adjust the width of the slots to fit the plywood you're actually using, without wasting a lot of time and material. This is your chance to check and adjust the width of the slots so that the material slides through them properly, allowing you to adjust all the slots in the full tray drawing if needed. My plywood came in 12 by 24 inch pieces, so the sides had to be done separately from the base, and I did them first. The only laser engraving on these sides and end pieces are to identify which tabs go in which slots. This is a perfect application for a laser on the CNC. The marks are much easier to read than a V-groove, don't affect the structure of the parts, and when placed properly, disappear when the part's assembled. With the laser marking done, the sides can be cut out using a bit. Depending on your setup, this may require resetting the home position to account for the offset between the laser and the center of the bit. These drawings are made to use a 1/16 inch diameter bit, and I've provided links to the ones I use. This small diameter bit is exactly what's needed for the detailed cuts required for the snap-together ends of the tray parts. An interesting bonus is that the narrow kerf of the 1/16 inch bit retains most of the chips from the cutting, so you don't actually need tabs to hold the parts in place, which makes the cleanup a lot faster and easier. The laser is reset onto the CNC machine, and the tabs on the base are marked to match the slots on the sides. With all the practical assembly marking out of the way, we can begin to decorate the base. I found this interesting graphic from Clausen Dairy online and used it as a template to create my own drawing to decorate the tray. There are several ways that you can program the laser for your CNC, depending on which machine and laser combination you have. In this video, I'm using an Axiom machine, and they do provide a special post-processor for the laser. If you're using VCarve, you also have the option to purchase the laser module that they have. There's a lot of marking to be done with my drawing, so this program did take quite a while to run. But you can use your own graphics to customize this tray the way you want to. The base of the tray is cut out after the decoration, same as with the sides, and we're using the same 1/16 inch bit. It's a simple toolpath, just a rectangle profile with the tabs sticking out around the edges. The tray can be shipped flat, and assembly is pretty simple. Just slot the sides onto the base and snap the ends onto the base and sides. The spring tabs milled into each side slide through the ends and lock into place. The tray is now ready for use and can be disassembled just as easily for storage between uses. You can find lots more great free woodworking resources at woodcademy.com.